Deep in the shadows of the forest floor, a hidden rhythm is beating. Mushrooms do not have voices, but they have a pulse, and we have figured out how to plug them in. So what is doing the magic? It's the mycelium that acts like a living circuit board. These organisms are constantly sending tiny electrical pulses through their cells to communicate and react to the world around them. To us, it looks like a plant, but to a computer, it looks like a stream of data. To turn these pulses into sound, scientists use a process called biosonification. They attach electrodes to the mushroom cap to measure the microscopic changes in bioelectricity. This raw electrical signal is then fed into a synthesizer, which maps the fluctuations to specific musical notes.